Let's make some perfect Goan party starters. To make croquettes, I have taken half kg mutton mince. You can take chicken as well. Then I have taken 1 tablespoon of garam masala. I have taken half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 onions finely chopped, 4 green chilies. You can take more or less according to your choice. Then I have taken 1 tomato finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg. I have taken some coriander leaves, some semolina and 1 cup breadcrumbs. I have added 2 tablespoons of oil, to which I will be adding the finely chopped onions and the green chilies. Let's cook it till they get translucent. Since the onions have turned translucent, let's add the ginger garlic paste. And cook it nicely. Now add the tomatoes. Now as all these ingredients are cooked nicely, let's add 1 teaspoon salt. And then the mince. And mix it well. I covered and cooked it for 10 minutes. Now let's add the powdered spices. And cook it till it's completely done. After adding the masala, I cooked it for another 15 minutes on low flame. But keep stirring in between so that it doesn't burn at the surface. Now as it is done, off the flame and keep it aside and let it cool. Now as it's completely cooled down, I will be mixing all these ingredients. The breadcrumbs and grind it in the grinder to make a smooth paste. As you can see, our mixture is ground into a smooth texture now. To this, add an egg and mix it well till everything gets combined. As our mixture is nicely combined, now you can shape them like these. Now I've added some oil for frying, to which I will be coating the croquettes in the semolina and then frying it. No need of frying it too much, as all the ingredients were nicely cooked before. So now our croquettes are all ready and ready to be served.